Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share to you my recipe of an egg marble. So here we go. First you have to prepare four cups and four different colors of powdered jelly or different flavors of your choice. Next you have to scoop a tablespoon of powdered jelly into the cup. Tip for today: if ever you can buy different flavors of gelatin or powdered jelly, you can use the agar-agar, or there's also a gelatin bars in the supermarket. You can buy that and it has different colors. You can use also a plain or white color of jelly powder or a gelatin bar, and then drop a food color into it, so you can have different colors of gelatin. Okay, let's now proceed to the next procedure, which is adding a hot water into the cup. So I have here the red color, plain, and the orange color. I don't know why it becomes yellow, and then a yellow color. Okay, and then we have to stir this thoroughly until the jelly powder dissolves. Make sure that your eggshell rather is already prepared, cleaned and dry while you are dissolving the gelatin, because this gelatin is easy to harden, so you have to work this faster. We are now going to fill in the eggshell with our gelatin syrup. If you have a funnel in your kitchen, you can use it so the gelatin syrup won't spill outside the eggshell. It's so nice. So we are now done for the first layer of making the egg marble. So we have now to set aside this first and let it cool. Okay, once the first layer is already hardened, we can proceed to the second layer. And then for the third layer, just do the same process until you finish. When you're done filling in the eggshell, you can put the egg into your refrigerator or on your cooler until it hardened and cooled. have now to reveal what egg marble looks like. So we have to peel off the eggshell and enjoy peeling off. Wow, isn't it so nice? Very colorful. The color red and the color radio complements its odor. Okay, let's continue peeling our marble egg. It's so fun peeling off this kind of egg. Oh, I love this color. It's beautiful. Try this, guys, with your kids. They will enjoy it really. And you can serve this also on their birthdays. And I'm sure they will enjoy this egg marble of ours. Oh my god, I love it, guys. I'm so in love with it. I love the colors, the texture, and the taste. It's so sweet and yummy. Thank you for watching and tuning in here at Tipsy Night. That's it. Enjoy watching. Thank you very much.